You've been there. You're finally going to bed after a long day, and you get a call from a night owl developer saying he's working at an all-night donut shop tonight, and he needs you to add that IP address to the allowed access list. Or maybe you need to hire a specialist to come in, but silently wished you could lock down their access to only that service. The problem is authentication. You know who you want to allow access to, but you need to map that to old-school IP whitelist rules. Remote.it is reimagining how you manage remote access to your cloud resources, letting you use your already great OAuth authentication system to manage who gets access to what. All access is fully logged, so you can see who is connected to what from a friendly dashboard. And when you want to remove access, it's as easy as a single click. Other than your website, none of your other cloud assets should be discoverable on the internet. And with Remote.it, there's no need. No more inbound security group rules. Ready to reimagine your cloud remote access? Download Remote.it today.